Hi, and welcome. This video is a step-by-step guide on how to add to the whitelist and the blacklist. The first thing you're going to do is log into your LucidView Enforcer Management portal. The next step is to click View All under Enforcer Account. Now you're going to choose the enforcer you would like to apply the whitelist or blacklist to. So you're going to click on Login. And now you're going to click on Configure Category Blocking. Now that you're on your category blocking page, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Whitelist, Blacklist. And now you're going to add the domain to the whitelist. Do remember you may enter domains names or IP addresses. So now you're going to click Close and then Save Changes. And there you go. The domain has been added and it will take 10 minutes, up to 10 minutes to be effective. Now to add to the blacklist. You're going to go back down to the whitelist/blacklist. Add new and enter the domain you would like to deny access to and click OK. Remember to close and always remember to save changes. And there you go. It has been added to the blacklist. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a lovely day.